Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have got some exciting news to share with all of you. I'm going to talk about free resources and free practical hands-on labs that you would love to explore. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and most importantly, make sure you check the link in the description as well as pinned comment so that you can get access to these resources. Let's get started. So on this channel, we keep talking a lot about practical experience, hands-on labs, because especially when it comes to DevOps, they are very important. Let's say you want to learn Kubernetes, Terraform, or even Docker. Unless you get your hands dirty with these tools, you can never master them. However, for beginners, it becomes a bottleneck. Beginners already have a challenge of finding the right resources. As a beginner, you find it difficult at times to find the right assignments. To add to it, setting up a practical environment, making sure all the tools are installed, making sure everything is rightly configured becomes a bottleneck. So I love the platform KodeKloud also for the same reason, because KodeKloud not only provides the resources, but they also provide practical hands-on labs. And right now, KodeKloud is running their free week from 10th of February, that is today, to 17th of February. For the next 7 days, you can access all of their standard courses and all of their standard hands-on labs for absolutely free of cost. There are no times and conditions. You can access absolutely free of cost. And I'm going to show you how to sign up to the platform. And within this 1 week, now this is important because you have 1 week of time. I'm going to show you how to make the most out of this 1 week with the free resources that they are providing. So let's sign up to the platform and see how to make the best. So using the link in the description, you can get to this page, which is the KodeKloud landing page for free week. And all that you need to do is use one of your Google accounts. So I'll use one of my Google accounts to sign into the platform. And once you do that, your account is created with KodeKloud. And once you provide some basic details about your profile, just head to learning paths. What KodeKloud has done amazingly well is that they have organized their courses into learning paths. Let's say you took the subscription of the platform, and obviously KodeKloud has hundreds of courses. Maybe you just want to explore courses related to AWS domain. So you just click on AWS domain and you have all the courses related to AWS under one roof. Not only that, you also get to know what is the order of courses that you have to follow. Similarly, if you want to target a particular job role, maybe DevOps engineer or cloud engineer or Kubernetes administrator, again, you just have to click on that role-based learning path. In this case, Kubernetes administrator learning path, and you have all the courses and the labs placed in the right order. In this case, it says start with DevOps prerequisites and fundamentals, then head to Linux, obviously, which is very important, and container concepts, and then get started with container orchestration, that is using Kubernetes. Additionally, it also provides resources related to CKA certification as well. Let's go to one of these courses and try to understand how we can access them for free during this free week. So just head to that course and click on try for free. And that's all. You are enrolled to that course and you can see the content of the course towards your left side. Or you just go back once you enrolled and you can find the complete course curriculum here. Here you have the YAML introduction. once you learn the theory part of it, you can just go to the labs and whatever you learned theoretically, you can try to implement that on this practical hands-on lab. So again, all of these courses as well as all of these standard practical hands-on labs are only free from 10th of February to 17th of February. And anything on top of this, like KodeKloud also has pro courses, KodeKloud also has KodeKloud AI. They are not covered under this standard or the free week. However, the standard courses as well as labs will give you great learning experience. So this is how you can explore the platform during the free week. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Not only Kubernetes, I just showed it as an example. Let's say if you're interested in DevOps engineer learning path, or maybe you are interested in KCNA domain based learning path, you can go for it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Also, don't miss to check out the link in the description as well as pinned comment to access these resources for free. See you all in the next video. I hope you loved it. Take care. Bye bye.